Rose Park has a wonderful tradition of supporting our veterans, and as part of that support, installed this flagpole with a big, beautiful flag on it.
It's important to our neighborhood. It's important to the veterans.
Right off I-15, a very tall flagpole greets visitors exiting on 10th North.
When you're coming in from Bountiful and you see that flag flying, it's an impressive sight.
And where a community-funded American flag should be, now flies nothing. The hoisting mechanism completely wore out. The flag fell to the ground and vanished.
And right before Memorial Day, it disappeared. And I said, what the heck?
Kind of made you angry, didn't it?
I was ticked.
Kevin Park and Marilyn Pearson are members of the Rose Park Community Council and are now left looking for thousands of dollars for repair and replacement.
The fact that so many had given their lives for our freedom and that this was a symbol of our neighborhood, and it was gone.
Luckily, the Fox 13 Dream Team was honored to step in to help.
Well, you know what? This is a great story, and it'll be on the news, but it isn't just a news story that we wanted to do on this. In fact, we were made aware of the need here in Rose Park for repair to this flagpole and a new flag. And so I'd like to introduce to you right now Lisa Rich from Mountain America Credit Union.
Hi there, how are you?
And this is a
Kevin?
Fox 13 Dream Team
Hi,
surprise.
how are you?
Lisa, would you kindly tell us why you're here?
Well, we're here because we heard about the situation with the flag being stolen, and we want to help. And so we partnered with our friends with Colonial Flag, and we are going to donate a new flag, and they're going to repair your flagpole for you and have that installed.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're excited to be able to help and bring this back to the community.
So from our family at Colonial Flag, we're, with working with Mountain America, we are just honored to go ahead and work on this flagpole and get Old Glory up and flying.
That's your Fox 13 Dream Team surprise.